Here we have a HOUGEN HMD925 magnetic base drill press. This has an automatic down feed. We check the magnet, magnet operates. Now we're going to turn the motor on. Then the unit shuts off after it gets to the bottom here, after it drills the hole. So you can use it as a manual down feed, or you can use it as the auto down feed. Comes with a coolant tank. You put your coolant in there. Overall, it's in really good condition. The strain relief for the cord here broke off. Not a big deal. It didn't affect any of the internal components or anything like that. They're easily replaced. You just pull the control panel cover off. Spin it around here to show you. Very nice working condition. It includes your hold down chain, your Allen wrenches for your adjustments, and your instruction and owner's manual.